Karst is a topography formed from the dissolution of soluble rocks such as limestone, dolomite, and gypsum. It is characterized by underground drainage systems with sinkholes and caves. It has also been documented for more weathering-resistant rocks, such as quartzite, given the right conditions. Subterranean drainage may limit surface water, with few to no rivers or lakes. However, in regions where the dissolved bedrock is covered, perhaps by debris, or confined by one or more superimposed non-soluble rock strata, distinctive karst features may occur only at subsurface levels and be totally missing above ground. The study of karst is considered of prime importance in petroleum geology since as much as 50% of the world's hydrocarbon reserves are hosted in porous karst systems.
Morphology. The karstification of a landscape may result in a variety of large or small-scale features both on the surface and beneath. On exposed surfaces, small features may include solution flutes, orillangkaran, runnels, limestone pavement, clints and grikes, collectively called karan or lapes. Medium-sized surface features may include sinkholes or cenotes, closed basins, vertical shafts, phoibe, inverted funnel-shaped sinkholes, disappearing streams, and reappearing springs. Large-scale features may include limestone pavements, pulges, and karst valleys. Mature karst landscapes, where more bedrock has been removed than remains, may result in karst towers, or haystack, egg box landscapes. Beneath the surface, complex underground drainage systems, such as karst aquifers, and extensive caves and cavern systems may form. Erosion along limestone shores, notably in the tropics, produces karst topography that includes a sharp Makata surface above the normal reach of the sea, and undercuts that are mostly the result of biological activity or bioerosion at or a little above mean sea level. Some of the most dramatic of these formations can be seen in Thailand's Phang Nga Bay and at Ha Long Bay in Vietnam. Calcium carbonate dissolved into water may precipitate out where the water discharges some of its dissolved carbon dioxide. Rivers which emerge from springs may produce tufa terraces, consisting of layers of calcite deposited over extended periods of time. In caves, a variety of features collectively called speleothems are formed by deposition of calcium carbonate and other dissolved minerals. Many karst-related terms derive from South Slavic languages, entering scientific vocabulary through the early research in the Western Balkan Dinaric alpine karst. A bime, a vertical shaft in karst that may be very deep and usually opens into a network of subterranean passages. Cenote, a deep sinkhole, characteristic of Mexico, resulting from collapse of limestone bedrock that exposes groundwater underneath. Phoibe, an inverted funnel-shaped sinkhole. Scowl, porous irregular karstic landscape in a region of England. Turlough, turlac, a type of disappearing lake characteristic of Irish karst. Uvula, a collection of multiple smaller individual sinkholes that coalesce into a compound sinkhole. Word derives from South Slavic languages. Karan, bands of bare limestone forming a surface. Limestone pavement, a landform consisting of a flat, incised surface of exposed limestone that resembles an artificial pavement. Pulgi, karst pulgi, karst field, a large flat specifically karstic plain. The name pulgi derives from South Slavic languages. Dolin, also sink or sinkhole, is a closed depression draining underground in karst areas. The name Dolin comes from Dolina, meaning valley, and derives from South Slavic languages. Karst spring, a spring emerging from karst, originating a flow of water on the surface. Ponor, also sink or sinkhole, where surface flow enters an underground system. Derived from Slovenian. Sinking river, or ponornica in South Slavic languages. Karst fenster, karst window, a feature where a spring emerges briefly, with the water discharge then abruptly disappearing into a nearby sinkhole. Thank you friends for watching this video.